Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and today we are going to discuss an exciting topic. So a couple of days ago I asked my Twitter audience, do they have a portfolio website or not? And you won't believe it, more than 40% of the audience don't even have the portfolio website. So I thought, why not create a portfolio website in just 5 minutes? Yes, you heard it right. Right now we are going to create the portfolio website in just 5 minutes. So this is the portfolio website which I have created in the 5 minutes, where you can see the profile picture, LinkedIn and Gmail link and my experience section, and then we will have education, skills, project, all the important section that should be present in the portfolio website, and it is completely responsive as well. So are you excited for creating this portfolio website? If yes, do subscribe to the channel. Now let's start creating our portfolio website. So for creating portfolio website, we need a 3 platform. The very first platform is the Overleaf or any platform which you use for creating your resume. Second, we need a ChatGPT which will convert our resume content into the markdown content. And the third, we need a GitHub for hosting our this portfolio website. So let's first of all create the GitHub repository. Go to github.com/your username and just click on this new repository, or you can directly go and say repo.new and press enter, and you can go to this repository, new repository. So this is the shortcut, and now here you can give any name, but I will highly suggest write your username and then extend it with github.io. So by using that, what will happen if you see this portfolio website? So if you write only your username.github.io, then this is the URL. Otherwise, if you write any other repository name, that will be extended. So why to make so much long URL? So keep it short and concise. So now let's go to this and add a description portfolio website using GitHub theme. So we are going to use a GitHub themes, and then add a readme file, create repository. Now if you go to your username.github.io, you can find this GitHub readme content. So I goes to visalrajwan.github.io. So this is the title and this is the description. So this is what we have written in the readme file. So now we are going to change this readme content. So how to change it? It's very simple. Just go to your Overleaf and this read text and just Control A and Control C. Go to ChatGPT and just paste it and write convert this into markdown resume. So you can see it start creating our resume in the markdown format, where hashtag means heading 1, then hashtag stu means h2, and this means the list. So we just need to copy it and paste it in the our readme file. So let's see if it have created completely. Yes. Okay, so I can see it does not include my achievement, so I will press continue generating. So if I click on this, it will add my achievement as well. Now you can just simply go here and copy this code and go to your repository and just click on this edit icon button, and here you just have to Control A and Control V, and now you can see the preview how it look like, and I hope it's look good. Now what we can do is we can change these skills to some icons. I have already created this readme, so I will copy it, and you can also customize it because ChatGPT gives the generic resume, so you can customize it. So just go there and click on this edit and just Control A, Control V. So this is how I use. This is the image.seal.io. You can go there, image field.io GitHub, and from here you can find lots of icons for your readme. So here you can find lots of icons. So just go there and find your skills there. So I have created this. Now what I will do, I will commit changes and say update readme. So just go to GitHub Rajwan. So let me just refresh it. So sometimes it takes like more than a couple of minutes. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to refresh it. And one more thing, if you write any other name rather than username.github.io, in that case it will not by default deployed on the GitHub pages. So if you write any other name, then what you have to do, you have to go to this setting, and then you have to go to this pages section, and now you have to create it will be like defaults to none. So you have to make it to main and save it. then it will be deployed to your GitHub pages. But if you write .github.io, in that case it will be automatically deployed to GitHub pages. So make sure you write this username only. So let's refresh it and see if it's working. Yeah, so now you can see this is how it look like, but I don't like to be very honest, it's look good, but we can improve it using GitHub theme. So let's understand about the GitHub theme. GitHub pages theme. So if I press enter, you can find out there are so many themes which are presented here. To check out which theme goes to you. So I will go to my ChatGPT and ask create a config.yml file for minimal GitHub page theme. So let's see if it's create or not. So you just have to write your title and description, authority. There are so many things, but I just need, I would say, these two things, or I would say I just need these three things. Just copy it, goes to your repo, and here I will go and add a file, add new file, and the file name will be /config. Make sure this is our configuration file, so its name should be _config file. You can't put any other name. Okay, so now paste it, and I would change my titles to Vishal Rajput, and let's use this description as front-end developer, front-end engineer, and let's just commit it. Let's commit it. Now what it will do, it will use the GitHub theme to deploy my website. So just take a moment. Well, once it becomes the green, then our website will be launched. So just wait for a second. So now as soon as it become green, my website will be updated. So I go there, and if I refresh it, it's look like this. So this look good, but I want to add my logo, my image as well. So how to do that? You just have to go here, just go add file, upload file, and add your image here. So I will choose my file, and this is my vishal.png. I will use this image, and I have already made this image circle so that it look good. You can use any software for making this. I use AI photo editor, so you can just write online how to circle an image online for free. Okay, so you can use this link. So this is how I use this. Now just cut all these things, and now I have to config my config file. So what I will do, I will use this config file and just copy the content and paste it into our config file. So I will come here and paste it. So here you can see this is the URL of my logo, and this is the description. Inside that description, this means that this is a multi-line string, this is a block. So in this block, I have added an image for a LinkedIn logo, and which on clicking that I will go to my LinkedIn profile, and then we will have a Gmail logo as well, which will move the audience to my Gmail. So yeah, and the theme is this minimal, and I will just commit it, and let's see how it look like. Hooray! We have created a portfolio website in just 5 minutes using GitHub theme. So you can just go to this GitHub themes and check out all other theme as well. You can also read the README and customize. You can customize the style, you can customize the layout, and you can customize a lot of things here. So just read this file, and if you want to customize, otherwise this also look very good. So let me know in the comment section how many of you are going to create the portfolio website today. Don't take any excuse, just create the portfolio website today and share it in the comment section, and share it with your friend that you have created your portfolio website. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for this channel for more such upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.